Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use Microsoft Authenticator app. So make sure to stick around to the end to get all the tips on using this app. Right away we're going to open Microsoft Authenticator, and with a minimalistic design you can have much functionality for productivity. Now at the bottom we have different options here, and when you open the app by default you're going to be under Authenticator. Now here on the Authenticator we have accounts that we've connected using the Microsoft Authenticator app. From here we can get our time-based code for verification in order to enter these accounts. In order to add account, you can go over to the top of the screen and you can see the plus icon. When you tap on it, you will have the option to add your personal, work, or other accounts such as Google and Facebook. Now currently we just have 2 accounts, but if you have many more accounts and you have to keep scrolling, you can avoid that by using the search option. When you click on the search icon, you can search for accounts instead of scrolling endlessly. Another option to add accounts using Microsoft Authenticator is by using the scan QR code option. This can be found at the bottom right area of your screen. When you tap on it, you will have to scan a code on your computer screen or another device. Now when we look at the bottom, we have other options. Moving over to passwords, here you can securely store passwords and use them to log in at a later time. This will save you the time to remember passwords. You can also add them if you want by using the plus button right here, and you could decide to add password, generate password, or generator history. Now while using websites or apps, you have the option to autofill. This usually saves time, and if you want to turn this on, you can see the option turn on at the top of the screen. Currently it's turned off, and you can simply tap turn on your device. The Payments tab is another feature. This is similar to Wallet on Apple devices. You can store payment infos by tapping on the plus icon. When you do this, you're going to put in your card information and save it with the tick at the top right of your screen. At a later time, all you need to do is to come over to Payment, select the card, and get all the details which you stored. And now under Addresses. Here you can use this to store addresses in order to use this quickly at a later time. And under verified IDs, you can make account setup simpler and safer, thus saving you time. And when we go back to Authenticator, which is the home page, at the top you can see 3 dots. These 3 dots give you more options, such as turning off battery optimization, checking for security notifications, and if you need help or sending feedback, this is where you can find the buttons. Also, you can find settings, which will take you to a page where you can make more settings to customize your Microsoft Authenticator app. You can check notifications. Since backup is also very important, you can turn on your cloud backup and put in your recovery account. And when you scroll down, you have autofill settings. As you might know, autofill helps you to speed up your process while using software services or apps. You could decide to toggle any of them on to help speed up your processes. And lastly, you have the option to import and export passwords from and into your Microsoft Authenticator app from other devices. All these tips will help you in using your Microsoft Authenticator app. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.